In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of Microsoft Teams by using Copilot. Whether you're a team leader or a project manager, Copilot can help you streamline your meetings and ensure everyone is on the same page. So let's dive right into it. First, let's open Microsoft Teams with Copilot enabled. You might already be familiar with Microsoft Teams, but with Copilot integrated, you're about to unlock a new level of productivity. If this is your first time using Copilot, you may need to enable it through your organization's IT settings. Once it's enabled, you're ready to go. Simply open Microsoft Teams as you normally would, and you'll notice Copilot is there to assist you. Now let's use Copilot to prepare meeting agendas. This feature is incredibly useful to keep your meeting structured and on topic. To do this, open a chat with Copilot and simply ask it to prepare an agenda for your upcoming meeting. You can provide topics or specific points you want to discuss. Copilot can draft an agenda based on the information you input or even from previous meeting notes. Having a well-organized agenda not only saves time, but also helps ensure that all critical points are covered during your meeting. You'll find that with each use, Copilot becomes more tailored to your style and needs, learning from the feedback and adjustments you make along the way. During your meeting, Copilot can summarize discussions in real time. Imagine how much easier it would be if you didn't have to worry about jotting down every single point yourself. With Copilot's real-time summarization, you can focus on contributing to the conversation while Copilot takes care of the documentation. Just activate the feature when your meeting starts and let Copilot do the rest. It's equipped with advanced language processing capabilities to ensure key points and discussions are captured accurately. At the end of the meeting, you'll have a summarized version of everything discussed, making it simpler to review and share with those who attended or couldn't make it. Finally, let's look at how Copilot can generate follow-up action items automatically. After your meeting wraps up, Copilot will identify tasks and responsibilities based on the conversation you just had. This means you'll receive a clear list of who needs to do what and by when, without having to manually revisit and interpret the meeting notes. You can easily distribute these action items to your team through Teams itself. This automation not only cuts down on administrative tasks, but also reduces the risk of missed assignments and ensures accountability. And there you have it. With Copilot in Microsoft Teams, you can transform your meetings from routine to highly efficient sessions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more productivity tips.